type of stone is this? Gemstones. Guys, watch these time stones, guys. Dark and yellow. This one, yellow, orange, yellow color. We got a plenty of stone right here, guys. Different type of stones. Beautiful type of stones that we found earlier. Here, guys, it's a hard form stone. This one is white one, dirty white. This one like this. What's this? Another this type of stone that we found here. See, guys, different types of stone that we found today. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified every latest videos that we found. We uploaded and some gemstones. I think some are jasper stone. We see in here. This one, we love it. This one, guys, is a hard stone. See, guys, it's a form of a heart. And also here on the side, it's a heart. You see, small heart, yellow. A beautiful stone, color yellow. This one too is, yeah, yellowish. Small and straight. One, guys, stripe color. I don't know, it's a purple white. So like it looks like purple, and this one is like, yeah, it's purple white stone, gemstones. Really cool, beautiful. This one, what is this? So like orange, color like orange. Don't know what kind of stone is that. This one, guys, wow, beautiful stone. Love it. Guys, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are updated for more videos that we uploaded every day, every week, every month. Only here in our YouTube channel. Subscribe for more latest videos. This one, guys, you call this, wow, so soft and shiny stone. Love stone. This time, this one right here looks crystallized. Yeah, it's crystallized, beautiful. Love this stone. This one, oh, it's a rough stone. And it's so rocky, rough and rocky white. See, guys, textures, different kind of stone, beautiful stone. Love this kind of stone. Alright, guys, this one, right, this one is something like black and crystallized, brown shape. Really great. How about this? We have seen here this green one. I'm going to wash. There's some soil. This one is green, yellow green, and here something is crystallized, beautiful in the bottom or in the top of the green stone. As you can see, something like mountain rock, and this is the top of the mountain rock. Wow, color, so nice. Something inside it is beautiful. Look at this one. Oh, crystallized stone, beautiful. Love this. We got a lot of plenty of stone that we found earlier these days, and these are cool. Here, another one is a rough stone, white, and you can see structure of the stone. Also, like a lines, it's like a rock, broken, but it's really hard. Beautiful small one. Here another one. It's a gate stone, rough and soft. It's white. This white stone is really beautiful. Wow, beautiful stone. Love this one. How about this one, guys? Wow, beautiful stone. So here, beautiful type of stone. So really beautiful stone. This one, guys. Wow, beautiful stone. Wow, lovely. This one, rough, something rough like, but it's pretty cool. This one, guys. See this. White and there's something. Nice stone. So white, but color. And see more. So guys, green color stone. And green color textures. So green. So lovely stone. How about this one, guys? This one is so really shiny soft stone. It's so shiny, so beautiful. Love it. Wow, we got a plenty of stone right here, guys. And see what we see. Look at this too, guys. Beautiful type stone. Wow. Comment down below who knows about the stone. Something you can say about this type of stone. It's beautiful. See you guys for the next video. Please subscribe and share our videos. And be updated for the latest video that we will upload and find. See you guys. See you for more videos. Thank you for watching. Gotta pick this up. God be the glory.